नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 2nd June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis on this specific video I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, reviews my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading idea. So before we get into Lalaji, let's follow the process and first figure it out how the global markets are doing. So what we see is that S&P 500 has started again going up. So this is a good sign. It looks like that 8 bar is now gonna act like a resistance. So definitely S&P 500 is moving up. Now, that is again because the US government bond 10-year yield has taken resistance on 20 and 50, and now it is going down and it is almost at 5.588. So, this is a good sign for all the emerging market liquidity. And when we look into dollar index, the dollar index is almost forming a reversal week here, where the length of the week is again from past 4 5 days, it's just making week after week. So, but as of now, it is below 8, below 20, and almost going down. So, this is kind of uncertain, but we can say that it's not at least very green. So, this is also on discounted, we can say a good sign for emerging market. It's almost around at 89.9. So, global market are definitely showing a good trend. Uh, so, we'll say that global markets are looking good. And now, when we look on weekly basis, market is definitely looking bullish, but overstretched, and it is again came closer to our magical black line. I use a very fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know about my trade setup, then check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel. So on weekly basis, market is in uptrend. On daily basis, what we could see is that today market had a gap down opening, but then bull came in and market got reversed exactly from our blue magical line, and it has closed on daily basis above 8, above 20, and above 50. So here also on daily basis, market is in uptrend. Now on 15-minute chart, where we see is that market has closed, Lalaji is closed above 50, above 8, above 20, and just below the magical black line. So here also market is looking in uptrend. So moving average confirms that market is in uptrend. Now when we look into market profile, what we see is interesting part. The market profile is showing that tomorrow's market profile is below today's market profile. So market profile, in terms of market profile, this is a bearish sign. So market profile says that the market is in bearish mode. Now it all depends upon where the Nifty is going to open tomorrow. And when we look into SGX is today at showing around 15709. So 15709 is almost above R2. So somewhere here. So even in the bearish market profile, if the open is above pivot, then that's a bullish sign. So if market is opening above R2, then this is again a repetition that market is opening at one corner, and we will see some. There is no point of taking a breakout on upside because touching R3 is a very rare market event. So if market opens around R2, then the first trade is definitely a short for a first target of 1615, which is the weekly H4, then magical line, and then previous day high. So 15,600 will act as a very strong support. If 15,600 is broken, then the next support is at very good support will come at the pivot, which is at 15,546. So buy on dip. That could be an official trade. So if market for any reason opens below pivot, that is below 15,545, for which I don't see any possibility, but if it does, then definitely it is sell on rise. uh, So assuming that market is going to open above pivot, the official trade is buy on dip. But from R2 to pivot itself is almost around 150 point move. So if you want to be adventurous and want to take a 15-minute breakout on the downward side, that is also not a bad trade. So these are the options for tomorrow. Any breakout on upside is not a wise trade for risk and reward perspective. So on open, one can take a PE position for a target of 15,600, and if this is broken, then pivot 15,540 will become a good support, because that is also L3, closer to L3 for tomorrow. So tomorrow's L3 is 15,538. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's review today's trade. Today was a very interesting day for me. So yesterday, if you've seen my video, the reversal has started or not. What you will see is that I was carrying one PE home, 15,600 PE home, and as per my trade, the market had a gap down opening. It went up and it kept on going down. So when it on this first bar, when it crossed PD low, I add one more position. So one lot I was carrying, I did another position. Then I carried the move ahead. Then again on this green bar, somewhere on S1, when this red bar happened, I added one more position. Then again market went down, and again when again it made lower high on this green bar, I added one more lot. So that days, uh, one more lot, and then my target was 15,350. But if not 15,350, it is I was hoping that it will go to 15,435, and I had kept my stop loss at the break even. Then over here on my first blue magical line, we found this reversal pattern. So this is the extreme reversal pattern for which I plan to make a video over this weekend. So out of four reversal pattern, this is one of them. And from here market turned and it went up. I didn't change my trailing stop loss, and eventually I got out on break even. So I almost had a profit of almost around 8,000 rupees, which I didn't take. And then it went up. Then again on this red bar, I tried to enter with a minimum stop loss, which got hit. So I had a small loss here, and then I did not take any trade ahead. So these are the trade. So this is the first lot. Then this is these are the other two lot. Then again at 171 I got out. Then a small trade of between 178 and 156, and after that there is no trade. So for today's position on Nifty, I had around 1,600 rupees loss. Surprising, but that's how the day went for me. So what's the learning? Learning is when the money is on the table, take it. Any swing trade which I do, I shouldn't try to carry forward my position beyond 2 days. So overnight is the max. That's where I should keep a tap, and respect trade plan. Is respect my trade setup. So this blue magical line is a very strong line. And it's very rare scenario on a pivot theory where market will touch S2, and expecting that market will touch S3 is like you are becoming very optimistic. Uh, it seems like there are only 32 or 27% time when the market will touch S3. So book a small profit. 8,000 rupees was not a small profit. I should have taken it, and that will help me to boost my confidence. But I wanted to really check the trend today to see if it is closing, coming above 15,525. And the Reliance and HDFC Bank played a very strong role today for market to not go down. So that's my learning. When you find money on the table above 5,000 rupees, put a trailing stop and fucking take the money home. So that's how you do it. Uh, I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Uh, Thank you very much to all my followers for their comments, their motivation, and welcome to new followers. On TradingView platform, I am almost touching 500 followers. Uh, so that's quite motivating. Almost 479. So need only 21 more, and I have published around 94 ideas. So please do let me know what you guys think about my videos, my style. Is there any areas where I should improve on? It will genuinely help me a lot. Another thing which I want to talk today outside subject matter is today I got my vaccination done, vaccination booked, and that is mainly because of this particular um bot which I use. This is called the Covin bot. This is a Chrome extension. I recommend all of you to try this if you want to get your vaccine book. So Covin bot, uh, you get this bot. It will come and sit in your extension here, and then you put your filters here of what you want, which territory you want. Open your Covin website and keep your page open, and then run the bot. And then run this bot is so efficient that it will find the as soon as any vaccines are available, it will find the slot for you. It will even put the captcha for you, and you just need to press confirm, and you will get your vaccine registration done. So that's a good news for me today. So stay healthy, wear a mask, get yourself vaccinated. Jai Hind.